Good afternoon, children. Sairam. Children, today we will start our lesson number 3, Windows customizing and personalizing. Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to learn about the Windows. What is Windows and how to customize it. Okay, and personalize it. How to use Windows operating system. Now, children, see here. Windows 10. What is Windows 10? Children, Windows 10 is the most popularly used operating system. Operating system means OS. Operating system means OS, short form. Okay, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Developed by Microsoft Corporation. The owner of the Microsoft is Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Okay, so see, Windows 10 is an operating system. It is a system software. Okay, children. System software controls the overall working of your computer. Okay, it controls the hardware as well as the application softwares. So operating system is very important. Without operating system, your computer will not work. And nowadays, which operating system is popular and we are using Windows 10. Okay, this is the most popularly used operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows 10 controls the overall activity of computer as well as operation of each and every part of computer. Windows recognize input from an input device and output of output device and instruct the printer how and when to print the informations and manage data and instructions memory in the memory and information stores on disk. Okay, so so much of the work is done by the Windows operating system. Okay, so Windows operating system is very important. Now, children, see, booting. This is the one of the function of Windows operating system, booting. See, Windows 10 is to start and restart the computer. The process of starting and restarting a computer is known as booting. Very simple, children. When we start the computer, it is called booting. That process is a booting. And when we restart the computer, that process is also called booting. Restarting means what? Restarting means your computer is already on. Your computer is switched on, and sometimes while working on the computer it gets hang or some file doesn't work. That time what we do? That time we restart the computer, and that restart process is also a booting process, is known as a booting process, children. Okay, now see, starting Windows 10. Okay, when we start Windows 10, when we start your computer, okay, and you're having a Windows 10 operating system, when you start your computer, Windows 10 start automatically and you see a Windows 10 lock screen. First screen which we get on the monitor, that is Windows 10's lock screen. Here what you have to do? You have to type the password. Okay, you type the password, and when you type the password, after entering the password, you will get a screen. That screen is known as desktop. Okay, children, after entering the password, we get one screen. That screen is known as desktop. You can see here, desktop look like this. Okay, and this is a start button menu. On the left hand side, there are a start button menus. See, when you click on the start button, you get like this menus. You can see on the screen. Okay, one side, left side, all the applications are there, and the right side of the start button menu is you can see the colorful squares and rectangles, that is called tiles, okay. There are tiles and live tiles also. In the live tiles you can see current weather condition, news, okay. So that are the live tiles. So start button is vertically divided in two parts. One side all the applications and other side all the tiles, okay children. Now see the start button and start menu. Children, start button is located on the bottom left corner of the desktop. It is used to open start menu. It is used to open start menu. Okay, when we click on the start button, what we get? We get start menus. See children, this is a start button menu. You can see start button and start menus. Okay, as I told you, these start button menus are divided vertically in two parts. Okay, see, the start button menu is used to access the programs and the computer settings. The left part shows a list of all installed app. Installed app means the app which are already there and the apps which you have installed and the apps which you use frequently, like Paint, Notepad, WordPad. You can see those app on the left side, and right part of this start button is a tiles. Okay, selection of tiles and live tiles. There are different tiles. This we will see now in the video, how to drag, how to add a tiles. Okay, this we will see. I will show you how to do that. Okay children, now see here. Okay children, see here, this is window 10. Okay, this is window 10 operating system. See, when you click on the start button, on the left hand side you can see down, see my cursor. Okay, there is a start button. You click on the start button. Here you will get like these menus. Okay, these are the start button menus. On this side you can see all the different apps. You can see camera, calculator. Okay, these are the apps which are there. Okay, and on the right hand side these are different tiles. You can see the different rectangles. You can see this is Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, this is the date and time, calendar. These are the live tiles. You can see here weather condition. Okay, so Skype is there, movies, calculator. These are the tiles. You can manage these tiles. Okay children, you can manage these tiles. You can drag it and you can add, remove. Okay, now we will see the configure the start menus. How to configure start menu. Now moving tiles. Okay, see moving tiles. First what we have done, click on the start button. Now we have got these start button menus. Okay, now how to drag it? You have to just click on the start button menu, click. Okay, and just like this you can drag it anywhere where you want. Okay, I am keeping this here. See here, you can drag it up and down. Okay, this is called dragging tiles. Okay, now resizing tiles. To resize a tile, now see here, on this you right click. What you have to do, right click. See, now you can see the options, unpin to start, resize and more. Okay, what is there in the resize? In resize you can see the small, medium, wide and large. Okay, small, medium, wide and large. Here you can click on the small. Just click on the small and see what is happening. See, you can see the small tile. Okay, again you make it, see, medium. This is called resizing tile. Okay children, Now what we are see now how to add or pin an app to the start menu. Now this here you just click on this camera, right click and pin to start. Click on pin to start, then what will happen, it will get add to the start button. Okay, and when you want to unpin to start, see this is already in the start menu, calendar. You can just click right click and unpin to start. If you click on pin, see it will go. Okay, so this way you can pin and unpin. Now here calendar, I will pin it to start, pin to start. You can see your calendar again. Got it, children? This is called add or pin an app to the start. Okay, next switching between the running app. Now I will open two app. Okay, I will open camera here, a calculator here. This is calculator. Okay, and I will minimize it. Minimize it means it will go on to the taskbar. Okay, and then I will open any one file. Okay, suppose I will open paint, any one application, paint. Okay, this is paint. Click on this paint and open. So these are the two programs, two applications which are open now. Okay, now how to switch between the running app. These are the two apps which are running on my screen, where you can see that on the taskbar. See, this is taskbar. See, you can see both. Okay, see, wait a minute. This is calculator, this is calculator, you can see, and this is paint. While working, you can work on the paint and you can again switch to the calculator. See, click on the calculator, calculator will come. Then switch on the click on this paint, paint will come. Okay, children, so this is called switching between running apps. Okay, so now on the taskbar you can see which apps are running. Here down you can see this is calculator and this is paint application. Understood, children? This is called switching between running app. And on the taskbar there is one, this task view. This is a task view button on the taskbar. You can see here both the which applications are open. This is task view. Okay, you can see the two thumbnails of your program. Which programs are open? Paint and calculator. Paint and calculator. You again click on the task view, see here. Okay, the application which was open, that will come. Again click on the task view, you can see both the what you are doing on the both, you can see. Okay, both the applications you can see on the task view. Understood, children? This is called task view. Now see, this is a multiple desktop. Okay, also now switching, now how to lock your computer. Now we will see how to lock computer. Now I will close this. Okay, I will close these apps, and now we will see how to lock your computer. Okay, now click on the start button, children. See here, start button. Click on the start button and click on the user icon. This is user icon. See here, this is shutdown option, power button. This is setting button and this is user icon. Okay, this is user icon. Click on this user icon and you can see changing account settings, lock and sign out. Now how to lock your computer, children? When we lock our computer, whenever we leave your computer, okay, and you can lock your computer to enhance the security of your computer. You can make it secure by locking your computer. Lock, click on lock here. Okay, now your computer is locked. Fine, children, see. Okay, and now you need to enter the password here, and once you enter the password you can again unlock it. Fine, children, got it? See, you can again unlock it. This is called locking your computer. Okay, children? Okay, now children, we will see all the settings. Okay, all the settings we will see now. Okay, this is the start button. Okay, when you click on the start button, like this, start menus get open. Okay, now click on this setting. Okay, click on the settings. Now settings will get open. These are the window 10 settings. Okay, system, device, network, and internet. Personalize, we are going to see the personalization. Okay, personalizing. Fine, now click on this personalization. Click on this. When we click on this personalization settings, we will get all these options like background, color, lock screen, theme, start and taskbar. Okay. Now children, we will see first background. These are the background settings. Okay, here we have to browse the background setting. Any which one you will select, that will get applied to your background. You can see the background is changing. See here, now I will click on this. The background is changing. You can see the difference. Okay, see here. Now I selected this one. Fine. Now the background, you can see it has changed. Now children, we will see the colors. Click on the colors. Color setting. Click here. And you can select, recent color is blue. You can select the color which you want. See, now I selected red. Okay. This way you can select the settings. Fine. Color setting. Now lock screen setting. What is a lock screen setting? See here. When you lock your computer, this screen comes. And here you can select the lock screens from your pictures and galleries. Okay. See here. You can choose how you want to see the lock screen. That is in this setting. Okay, now themes you can select from the theme. See, we have selected red color for this colors, so red is showing here. Okay, and themes, you can still choose any one theme and click on select it. See, the theme will get applied to your full slide. Lenovo theme. See, this theme has changed, so everything will change accordingly. So background, color, everything will change whatever is in that theme. Okay, so see here, we have selected red color. That red color has changed because we have changed the theme. So the theme will change everything, background and all, everything. See, now I am selecting this theme, so it will change all the colors. Understood, children? This is a personalized setting, personalization setting. See, I will show you again where we have got this personalization setting here. Okay, in the setting options. See, in on the start button, settings, click on settings, and in the settings you click on the personalization, and in the personalization you will get all these settings: background, color, lock screen, themes. Okay children, understood? Now I will show you how to adjust the volume. Here on the taskbar you can see here the volume icon. Can you see this, my cursor? This is a speaker volume icon. See, you can increase or decrease the size of this volume. See, now 60. You can increase more. You can decrease it by clicking on this. Okay, this way you can set the volume of your computer, of your device. Understood, children? So here we have completed our lesson number 3. Okay, children, I hope you all understood today's lesson. Lesson number 3, Windows personalizing and customizing. Okay, how to change the desktop background, how to change the color, how to change theme, how to lock your computer. Okay, and the start button menus, menus, all the tiles and live tiles, how to drag it and change the size, and how to pin and add it to the start menu. Okay children, so I hope you all understood. Please read this lesson at home and try to do practical also. Okay children, have a nice day.